Helu Railfans, nestled just outside Webuye. Nabuyole Waterfalls is a quiet masterpiece of nature. Here, water tumbles over ancient rocks into a cool, misty embrace surrounded by endless shades of green. The land is alive, lush farms, tall trees, singing birds, and fresh air that carries the rhythm of Western Kenya's heartbeat. Adding to this natural beauty is a powerful spectacle, long freight trains cutting through the landscape. As they pass, the ground trembles slightly, and the roar of steel on rail echoes through the valley, blending with the rush of the falling water. It's a raw, unforgettable harmony, nature and industry meeting in perfect balance. For more aerial captures, epic train moments, and breathtaking scenery across Western Kenya, follow Kenyan Railroader and experience the journey from the skies. It was your good time friend, Mr. Kenyan Railroader. See you on track.